All right, I'm going to be straight up with you in this video. If you're looking at myEcon for 2025 and the global launch, then there is still time. At the time I've released this video, there is still time for you to get in and make the smart decision to get in if you're here in the United States before the global launch. Now, why is this important and why would you want to do this versus waiting? Now, I don't have to tell you this, but maybe I do. Hopefully, you know this. First movers always win the biggest, my friend. And I want you to kind of picture like being in a position where you knew about Bitcoin years ago when it was only $200 for one Bitcoin. Would you rather have that opportunity and be in that place knowing what you know now? Would you rather be back there in that moment and be able to purchase Bitcoin dirt cheap versus where it is now, 80, 90, $100,000 for a Bitcoin? Would you rather be able to have that information and make the right decision, or would you rather just wait and watch everybody else become successful around you? You have that moment right now. Okay. So if you're looking at myEcon, if you're thinking about getting in, if you're here in the United States, you can see right here the countdown timers. Now, why specifically is it important to be in before the launch? Well, we have massive sales rotators set up. Okay. So I'm literally just going to kind of spell it out for you right here. See this right here? We have sales rotators set up for you where we're going to be sharing your link for you during the global launch. Okay. We actually have two sales rotators. I'm going to break it down for you. Okay. We have two sales rotators. One is inside our team training site. The best thing that you could do right now before the global launch is to get in and get inside of our sales rotator so we could be sharing your link for you during the global launch. We're going to be doing a massive, huge scale attack, driving a bunch of traffic to our sales rotators during the global launch. Because once this opens up, the doors go wide open. We open up all across the globe. So you have the opportunity to get in before and be, just like I talked about with Bitcoin, being in that prime position ahead of time before the masses, before this thing goes crazy all over social. And we all know that people are going to be posting about this all over the weekend, people making sales. This thing's going to start to explode. It's going to start to get a lot of attention, just like other big company launches that we've seen over the past years where companies started out and then once they got some momentum on social, they blew up to over 1 million members. Okay. You guys probably know the company I'm talking about, right? But that's what's going to happen here. And if you don't believe me, again, that's fine. Just sit back, just sit back and watch other people win and watch other people make a ton of money. Or you could make the smart play and get in now. Okay. Now, if you are not in the United States, if you're outside of the United States, again, you guys have time on your side right now. The number one thing that you guys could do, okay, two specific things if you're outside of the United States that you guys could do right now, okay? Number one, links, all the links that you guys need are in the description down below. So specifically the link to get started, select your level, activate all your bonuses, get into our global sales rotator. Okay, you guys can do that right now. Click the link in the description down below, get yourself started. Lock in a position, I don't care. Come in at 100, come in at 45, come in at 25, I don't really care. Just be smart, get in ahead of time. If you're outside of the United States, link in the description down below, get on my launch list. That way you're going to know right up to the minute as soon as we go live. I'm going to be emailing you all day on Friday saying, hey, get ready, 6 hours left, 3 hours left, 2 hours left, 1 hour left. Like, boom, here we go live. And then once we go live, boom, this is where it's crazy. I've talked about this in many other videos. The people that are joining live during the webinar, I'm going to plug you directly into the sales rotator live as we speak. And then I'm going to be everyone that comes in after that, literally people live, the only link, this is important to understand, the only link that I'm going to be giving out live during the global launch is the rotator link. I'm not giving out my direct link. I'm giving out the rotator link. So I'm giving my sales away. Okay. So if you guys are overseas, you guys are not in the United States, link in the description down below. Go ahead, get on my list. Number two, also linked in the description down below. You can see, obviously, I already got people here that are going here to this video. They're liking it. You come on over here. You can even drop a comment if you want. Okay. This, what you see on your screen right now, this link is also in the description down below. This is my live launch webinar. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, that's super important. Subscribe to the channel. Even more important than that, hit the bell icon. The bell icon is going to ensure that you get an email notification from YouTube the moment I go live. So you're going to be able to combo those two things between being on my launch list and subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon. You're going to get notified 100% the moment we go live. Now, once we get live, again, the important part here, once we get live, I'm going to give you my link right out of the gate. I'm going to give you my global rotator link so you can get in, you can lock in, and then everyone that's coming in after that. So the sooner you can get in, the better. Everyone that comes in after that, I'm going to be giving out my rotator link, and we're going to be helping people live on camera get sales through the sales rotator. So yes, I'm going to be helping you make sales live. Really, really special, really, really cool. Can't wait for this. I can't wait to see literally just dozens, if not hundreds of people making sales live. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be absolutely awesome. So again, quick and easy video for you guys here today. At the time of this video, literally just a couple of days away. Okay. So by the time you're watching this, it's probably Thursday, maybe even Friday. You have time. There is time to get in before the launch. So recap. If you're in the United States, link in the description down below, lock yourself in. We're going to be driving traffic to your link for you during the global launch. Okay. If you're overseas, if you're not in the United States, link in the description down below, get on my launch list. Also, link in the description down below, head on over to this. You'll see this link down below right here. Go over to the launch webinar itself, like the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified from YouTube the moment I go live. This is it, my friend. It's go time. We're almost there, and this is going to massively, massively explode. I can't wait to help you win. Make the smart choice. Get in now if you can. If not, I'll see you live at midnight. Yes, we're doing a midnight launch live. It's going to be incredible, and I'm going to stay up with you as long as we can, as long as I'm capable, and as long as those sales are coming in. I'm going to stay live right here on my channel with you, plugging you in, helping you guys make sales live. That's it. That's all it is, my friends. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. You guys know what to do. Links in the description down below. And I'll see you live on the launch webinar. Take care.